Principal, Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished dignitaries, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends. I, Zainab, and my co-hosts are Insha and Farah. It gives us immense pleasure to warmly welcome you to Sri Ram Welfare Society's High School.
Today is truly a day of pride and celebration as we gather to honor the brilliance, dedication, and hard work of our young achievers.
India has always been a land of great thinkers and philosophers. Among them stands the towering spiritual leader Adi Shankaracharya, whose timeless wisdom continues to illuminate minds even today. His inspiring words remind us, Vidya Dadati Vinayam, Vinayadayati Patratam, which means knowledge gives humility and humility leads to greatness. This profound thought beautifully reflects the essence of today's ceremony. The Adi Shankaracharya Scholarship recognizes students who have not only excelled academically but have also demonstrated discipline, sincerity, and a true commitment to learning.
Dear friends, every award you receive today is not just a recognition of your hard work, but also a reminder of the greater responsibilities that comes with knowledge.
I would now like to invite our respected Principal Madam, whose guidance inspires us every day, to kindly come on stage and welcome our esteemed guest.
Respected Chief Guest, dignitaries, honored guests, honorable members of the Management Council, dear teachers and my dear students. A very warm welcome to each one of you to the Adi Shankaracharya Scholarship Presentation Ceremony. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest for today, Shri Pranav Vijay Joshi. Shri Pranav Joshi's journey is truly inspiring. Though academically accomplished with a master's degree in zoology, specializing in biotechnology and marine sciences, he chose a path of deeper meaning and inner exploration by pursuing Vedanta through a 2-year residential course at Chinmaya Mission, Mumbai. During this time, he also studied the traditional Sanskrit text, Laghu Siddhartha Kaumudi, and further contributed by teaching it in depth to the students through courses in enlightening and Hindi on profound scriptures such as Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, Ramayana, Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuram, and the works of revered saints like Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Tukaram, and Samarth Ramdas. Equally commendable is his work with children through Samskar Vargas, where he nurtures young minds by teaching stotras, values, and rich cultural heritage of Santana Dharma. His life is a beautiful blend of knowledge, spirituality, and service. We are truly honored to have you, sir, here today. Please give a big loud round of applause. I request our 9th standard students, Insha, Zainab, and Falak, to kindly come forward to felicitate our honorable chief guest, Shri Pranav Vijay Joshi. Thank you. It gives me immense joy to welcome the dignitaries of the SRWS family. All students, as we welcome each dignitary, kindly join in by giving a big round of applause. Please, students, kindly felicitation. Respected management member Mahalakshmi ma'am. And respected Shankar sir. Suresh sir, please come at the front.
Sir.
Thank you so much.
With full blessings of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the bestower of wisdom, composed by the great philosopher and Saint Adi Shankaracharya. The Ganesh Pancharatnam is a sacred hymn that glorifies the divine qualities of Lord Ganesha. Let us begin with Ganesh Pancharatnam followed by Achyutashtakam to invite peace, prosperity and auspiciousness into our lives. This stotra is chanted by Ishita, Rashmi, Jyoti Kumari, Sahil, Chetan, Vicky and trained by Devki teacher.
Achyutam Keshavam
and more. Through the beauty of movement, our students Vaidahi, Palak, Anam, Najish, Almas, Shwetali, Habiba, Sakshi, Om, Kashinath and Atharva will now present a graceful prayer dance. Madhuri teacher.
And now we arrive at the most awaited moment of today's ceremony, the felicitation of our scholarship winners. Today we are honored to have with us our esteemed chief guest, Shri Pranav Vijay Joshi sir. We are truly grateful for your presence and support. May I request the dignitaries to kindly come forward for the felicitation ceremony.
Our very own Rahul ji to render the Kriti Chandrachuda by Saint Purandaradasa in his melodious voice. This hymn praises Lord Shiva, describing his form and all the attributes that makes him the supreme embodiment of cosmic energy.
चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण नमो नमो चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण नमो नमो सुंदर कर विनायक धर हर सुंदर कर विनायक धर हर गंगाधर गजाचर मावर धर गंगाधर गजाचर मावर धर चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण नमो नमो चंद्रचूड़ शिवा शंकर पार्वती रमणानि नगे नमो नमो चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमणानि नगे नमो नमो चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमणानि नगे नमो नमो सुंदर कर विनायक सुंदर कर विनायक शिव शंकर पार्वती रमणानि नगे नमो नमो रमणानि नगे नमो नमो रमणानि नगे नमो नमो रमणानि नगे नमो
We feel deeply honored and privileged to have your august presence with us today. Shri Pranav Vijay Joshi sir is a distinguished scholar and a renowned speaker on Vedanta. He has been enlightening countless minds through his discourses since 2017. With great respect and humility, we now request your kindly address the gathering and bless us with your valuable words.
ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः यन्तः हरिष्यमवासमां सुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यान् सहस्रशरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् I bow down to Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya ji and also all the dignitaries and elders who are present here. Even though I have come here as a chief guest, I see myself as a student well grown up. मैं अपने आप को उस विद्यार्थी के रूप में देखता हूँ जो बस उम्र में बड़ा हुआ है. To be present here to felicitate students with the Adi Shankaracharya scholarship is an honor in itself. And in that regard, I would like to speak with you all students and also the elders who are present here. Because when the word or the name of Sri Adi Shankaracharya ji comes to my mind, many things go through because the lifespan that he lived is just 32 years. Imagine all that is to be achieved. Adi Shankaracharya ji achieved at the age of 32. अपनी आयु में, अपनी जीवन में जो भी कमाना है, प्राप्त करना है, जिस यश को हमें हासिल करना है, वह उन्होंने अपनी 32 वर्ष की आयु में प्राप्त किया. उनके चरित्र का जब संक्षेप किया जाता है और कहा जाता है, when I am going to use the word biography with some hidden meaning that I will not about later. Even though the biography word does not explain the word charitra itself, it is not a translation of the word charitra. Adi Shankaracharya ji lived only for 32 years. अष्टवर्षे चतुर्वेदी, द्वादशे सर्वशास्त्रवेद, षोडशे कृतवान् भाष्यं, द्वात्रिंशे निरपेक्षः. At the age of 8, he had learned all Vedas. 8 वर्ष की आयु में आदि शंकराचार्य जी ने सारे वेदों का अध्ययन किया. और अध्ययन माने कंठस्थ करना. हमारे द्वारा तो मुझे तो याद है 8 वर्ष की आयु में लैंग्वेज में जो पोइम्स वगैरह हुआ करती थी, कविताएं हुआ करती थी, वो भी कंठस्थ करते थे, तो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. यहाँ पे 4 बड़े बड़े ग्रंथ कंठस्थ थे. 12 वर्ष की आयु में, at the age of 12, he knew all shastras. It is as good as knowing all the faculties of sciences, languages, history, everything. सब कुछ जान लिया, जो भी पढ़ना है सब कुछ पढ़ लिया. सारे दर्शन हो, विज्ञान हो, जो भी हो. और तत्पश्चात षोडशे कृतवान् भाष्यं. At the age of 16, 16 वर्ष की आयु में, जब हम 10वीं पास होते हैं, उस आयु में उन्होंने आगे आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक मैप बना दिया कि आप कैसे पढ़े और इसमें क्या रहस्य बताया है. What is the essence of all the texts that you are going to study? तो भाष्य लिख दिया, कमेंट्री. गाइड बुक्स होते हैं ना, किताबों में तो लिखा रहता है, तो फिर क्यों में गाइड्स लिखते हैं? क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें लिखा है वो समझता नहीं है तो पढ़ना पड़ता है. और उन्हें पता था कि गुरुजी तो देखो, तो पाठशाला में आते हैं तो हमारे सर टीचर सामने हैं. We come to school, there we have teachers in front of us. Sir, everyone is in front of us, so we can ask them. But what if they are not present in person, अगर हमारे सामने नहीं है तो क्या करें? तो उनके लिए उन्होंने एक भाष्य लिख दिया कि ये पढ़ो, आपको समझ में आए। अब वो भाष्य पढ़ने के लिए गुरुजनों के पास जाना पड़ता है। इनकी इतनी उनकी बुद्धिमत्ता थी और तत्पश्चात 32 वर्ष की आयु में उन्होंने समाधि ली, इस इहलोक को छोड़कर चले गए। तो 32 वर्ष की आयु में उन्होंने सारा जो भी प्राप्त करना था वह प्राप्त किया। किस रूप में? जगत को एक मार्ग दिखाकर, और जो मार्ग दिखाना है इसे कहते हैं मार्गदर्शन, टू गाइड। और अब एक बताओ, जीपीएस आपको पता है ना? जीपीएस जब आप लगाते हो, अगर कहीं जाना है तो जीपीएस आपके साथ चलता है या जीपीएस पीछे रहता है और आप आगे चलते हो? साथ चलता है ना, लाइव लोकेशन आपको दिखता है और तभी बताते हैं कि आगे कैसे जाना है। तो आदि शंकराचार्य जी की जो शिक्षा है, his teachings are a GPS. They are going to take us on the same path that he walked. और यही चरित्र शब्द का अर्थ है। हम जब चरित्र कहते हैं ना, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, आत्मचरित्र को अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? ऑटोबायोग्राफी, और चरित्र को बायोग्राफी। अब बायोग्राफी शब्द को अगर देखें, if you look at the word biography, it is bios and graphy, account of someone's life written by someone else. यानी किसी के आयु में उसने क्या किया वह किसी और ने लिखा है। वो किसी के बारे में भी हो सकता है ना, कोई भी, मैं अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिख सकता हूं पर उसका कोई अर्थ नहीं है। जब चरित्र कहते हैं तो उसमें चर धातु है, कंडक्ट, हाउ वी बिहेव, हाउ वी एक्ट, व्हाट वी बिलीव इन, हम किस पर विश्वास करते हैं, हमारा धर्माचरण कैसा है, हमारा सत्य के प्रति निष्ठा कैसी है, शास्त्रों का हमारा अध्ययन कैसा है, और हमारी मन और बुद्धि पर नियंत्रण कैसा है। इन सारे पहलुओं का जब एक संकलन विचार किया जाता है तब चरित्र की निर्मिति होती है। ऐसे चरित्र की निर्मिति नहीं होती। तो जिनकी स्मरण में यह पुरस्कार दिया जा रहा है वो आदि शंकराचार्य जी है। द मेमोरी इन विच और इन हुज नेम दिस स्कॉलरशिप इज बीइंग गिवन, इट इज ए praise and felicitation at the same time. It is the light that is going to guide us. जब भी कभी कोई पुरस्कार प्राप्त होता है तो हमारे गुरुजी हमेशा कहते हैं, ये पुरस्कार मैंने जो कर्म किया है, जो कुछ भी मैंने हासिल किया है, उसका कौतुक, उसकी सराहना करने के लिए नहीं दिया गया। This is not to praise what I have done, but to make me walk the same path by which I will deserve the reward that I am getting. जो पुरस्कार मुझे प्राप्त हो रहा है उसके लिए मैं पात्र बनूं, इस मार्ग पर प्रेरित करने के लिए मुझे पुरस्कार मिला है। In the same way, we have to remember Adi Shankaracharya ji and his teachings when we are receiving this award or when the award is being presented. And I feel honored that I have been given the opportunity to present this award, and I will be always thankful to all the dignitaries and Sri Ram Welfare Association School for this opportunity. Thank you.
Ma'am, to welcome our guest.
Insha, Zainab, to welcome Ravi sir. Give a big round of applause as we welcome Ravi sir.
Of the scholarship recipients. Let us begin with standard 5. Shrikant Kohli from class 5th B, first rank. Second rank. Standard 6, Shafia Sheikh from Class 6B, first rank. Ishita Gupta from Class 6C, second rank. Children, please applaud them. Thank you. Ishita Gupta from Class 6C, second rank. Jyoti Kumari Mahato from Class 6C, third rank. Next, we have Standard 7. Nabila Khan from Class 7C, second rank. Nisa Nanjar from Class 7A, third rank. Now let us proceed to Standard 8. Finished from Class 8B, first rank. Next, Hefza, be ready. Hefza Khan from Class 8A, second rank. Shoaib Sheikh from Class 8A, third rank. Children, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Moving ahead to Standard 9, Ikra Sheikh from Class 9C, first rank. Shravani Maskar from Class 9A, second rank. Madhiha Sheikh from Class 9A, third rank. Finally, we have Standard 10. Rina Sureshan from Class 10A, first rank. Radha Dangar from Class 10A, second rank. Now I request all the prize winners to come on the stage for the group photo. Prize winners, please come along with your prizes.
in the program to conduct a new teacher and then teacher आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन देता हूँ। बहुत अच्छा आपने कंडक्ट किया और हर बच्चे ने बहुत देर से पार्टिसिपेट किया, बहुत अच्छा गाना गाया और राहुल सर का गाना तो सबका मन छू गया, बहुत बहुत अच्छा है। और मुझे इस मंच में दो एक्नॉलेजमेंट करना है। एक जो मैं अभी यहाँ स्कूल का श्री राम स्कूल का जो अध्यक्ष हूँ और जो ट्रस्टी बना हूँ, इसके मूल कारण है और एक शंकर शंकर सुब्रमण्यम। मुझे करीब 25 साल पहले जब उन्होंने न्योता दिया आप स्कूल में कमेटी में आइए, मुझे ये मालूम नहीं था कि ऐसे अवसर भी मुझे मिलेगा। जैसे प्रणव जी आए हैं यहाँ पर और आज शंकराचार्य का जो आज सेरेमनी हो रहा है, उसके लिए मैं ये शंकर का और ये शंकर दोनों का आभार हूँ। और मुझे आदि शंकर को इंट्रोड्यूस करने का जो श्रेय है, और यहाँ मंच में बैठे महालक्ष्मी है और मेरे दोस्त लक्ष्मण और चिदम्बरम, इन तीनों को मैं मेरा ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि 2021 में जब कोविड का समय था तब इन तीनों ने मुझे आदि शंकरा का जो बायोग्राफी है, जो आप बता रहे थे इतिहास, वो आत्मतीर्थम करके एक बुक, एक अंग्रेजी में और एक तमिल में, ये तीनों ने मुझे मिलकर दिया। और जब मैंने देखा वहाँ पर 36 चैप्टर्स है, जो बड़ा बुक था, तो मैंने सोचा ये कैसे पढ़ लूँ मैं। तो चिदम्बरम ने बताया कि रोज़ सिर्फ एक चैप्टर पढ़ना बस हो गया। तो जैसे मैंने 40 दिन में बुक पूरा किया, उसके लिए मैं किरण मैम और लक्ष्मण और मार्ग से उनका आभार हो. Thank you very much.
We are proud of your hard work and success. On behalf of Shri Ram Welfare Society's High School, I sincerely thank our esteemed dignitaries for presenting these scholarships. Your support and encouragement truly inspire our students to achieve greater heights. Thank you.
Of this wonderful ceremony, let us once again congratulate all our scholarship winners for their remarkable achievements.
May the teachings of Adi Shankaracharya continues to guide our students towards knowledge, wisdom and humility.
And congratulations to the 3 compeers who did this job so wonderfully. And one more announcement. We are releasing a small book for children on Adi Shankaracharya's life. A very small booklet which has been created by Mr. Lakshmanan and which is easy to understand the lesson at the end of each story. I would request all the children to take this book home and then share it with your parents and with your siblings. Thank you very much.
नमस्ते हंसते हंसते जरा जोर से नमस्ते. गुरु जी ने बताया कि हमारे बड़े भी है. We were just born before. हम किसी से बड़े नहीं हैं. हम लोग पहला पैदा हुए, हम लोग बाद में पैदा हुए, इतना ही हुआ है. So and I am very proud that श्री राम स्कूल में हो रहा है जो प्रोग्राम और मुझे बुलाया गया इन्विटेशन for all the committee members. Plus, very important thing is I cancelled my trip back to Coimbatore. And why I want to was I started my Kashmir to Kanyakumari trip from Adi Shankaracharya in Kashmir. Namaskar.
Awards recognize your success today, but your dedication and character will shape your success tomorrow. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected guests, teachers and parents for their constant encouragement and support. I now hand over the mic to our supervisor Bindu ma'am to show gratitude to all the people who have been instrumental in making this day with a vote of thanks.
Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Dignitaries, members of the Managing Committee, esteemed Principal, beloved teachers, dear parents, and my dear students, a very warm namaste to one and all present in this Sabha. As we stand at the end of this beautiful and inspiring Adi Shankaracharya Scholarship Distribution Ceremony, my heart is filled with gratitude and pride as I rise to propose the vote of thanks. Today was not just a ceremony, it was a celebration of dreams, dedication and determination. I express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Sri Pranav Joshi ji, whose gracious presence has truly elevated this occasion. Your encouragement in the form of your powerful yet subtle words is not just an honor for us, but a lasting inspiration for our students. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all our respected dignitaries for being with us and for continuously supporting the cause of education. Your presence motivates our young minds to aim higher. My sincere gratitude to our respected President Sundar ji, Honorable Secretary Gopal Krishnan ji, Honorary Treasurer Lakshmanan ji, Management Member Srimati Mahalakshmi Madam, Members Sheshadri ji, Ravi ji, Shankar ji, whose vision and guidance have created an environment where students are encouraged to grow, excel and shine. They were equally supported in this endeavor by our very own principal, Srimati Jayanti. This collaborative teamwork has helped in the execution of this dream which has come true today. to Resha teacher and Shweta teacher for training the students for comparing, to Madhuri teacher for training the students for their prayer dance. A special mention of appreciation to our very own Rahul sir for his soulful rendition of Sage Purandara Dasa's Kriti, and also training the students to present a prayer song at the feet of the Almighty. To Renal teacher for beautifully bringing out the theme on board as always. Remain blessed, dear teacher. To all our teachers, today's success belongs to you as much as it belongs to our students. I would also like to appreciate every staff member who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Satya Babu, you are also included. Your efforts may not always be visible on stage, but they are deeply felt in the success of this program. A special mention to our talented students. Your soulful prayer, graceful dance and meaningful shloka recitation brought peace to those who you reminded us that education is not just about the mind but also about the heart. To our dear parents, आदरणीय माता पिता जो यहाँ पे है और हमारे साथ है, आपके सहयोग, विश्वास और संस्कारों के बिना आज का यह क्षण संभव नहीं था. And finally, my dear students, this moment belongs to you. May you continue to walk the path of knowledge with humility, just as taught by Adi Shankaracharya. Thank you everyone for being a part of this memorable journey. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashit dukha bhag bhave. May all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see auspiciousness, and may no one suffer. With a heart full of gratitude, I conclude my vote of thanks. Dhanyavad.